Each spring for the past 8 years at Auburn University, the Industrial Design program has developed assistive technology devices to improve the lives of those with disabilities in a collaborative effort with the College of Education's Center for Disability Research and Service. The entire process centers around a volunteer participant we call the client user, and student teams made up of designers and assistive technology students. To begin the process, we meet and try and understand exactly the challenges our volunteer participants face on a regular basis as a result of their disability. We do this through contextual research, such as witnessing them performing certain tasks in their environment. After performing initial research, we then move to an empathy modeling phase of the project. Students design a means by which they can better empathize what the client users go through performing certain tasks, like measuring out water when you have a vision impairment, or getting around the house if you're a double amputee, or even getting in and out of a door when you're in a wheelchair. Once we feel like we have a good idea of the challenges we're addressing, students approach this in the way that they approach many design problems, by sketching initially, creating multiple ideas and documenting them in a way that they can share them with our client user and receive the adequate feedback. Our students quickly move into rough prototyping, using inexpensive materials to test their ideas and share those ideas again with our client user to receive the kind of feedback that is so vitally important to this process. Our goal at the end of each spring semester is to provide our client user with a working prototype that addresses their challenge. We also look for ways that these designs can help not only the client user we worked with, but a larger segment of the population that may have a similar challenge, or even in the case of this measuring cup for those with limited vision, mass-produced and used by anyone. Digital fabrication and 3D printing in particular can play a significant role in the development of assistive technology, simply because the needs are so unique from user to user. For example, here are some aids for playing wheelchair basketball for one of Auburn's wheelchair basketball players. These are devices that address the need you saw earlier in the video of the young woman who had challenges fitting a fork to her hand. But this not only allows us to fit a fork to her hand, but we can print specific modules that really address not only everyday tasks, but fulfilling lifelong desires. With digital fabrication, it's no longer simply about designing the tool. There are unique capabilities inherent in 3D printing that allow you to create unique geometry on top of the ability to customize each individual product to each individual user. We're looking at incorporating biomimicry and the ability to add variables such as height, width, weight, and activity level, so that each of these prosthetics can be more finely tuned to the user's lifestyle and also provide a nice visual aesthetic that will enhance the lives of the user, more so than that of a traditional prosthetic. Thank you for your attention.